Terra Classic greenlights key parameter change proposal for Lunc rebirth, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with the Lunc ETF token. Thanks to the contract and the 5% commission, every transaction you make will fund and bring the Lunc token closer and closer to the ETF. Lunc needs catalysts, so Lunc ETF decided to create one of the best. I think Loon will break many ceilings in the crypto industry, so the link to the website and to buy Loon coin in the description. Let's start with the Terra Classic greenlights key parameter change proposal for Lunc rebirth. The attempt to push Terra Classic into full-blown recovery mode has continued this year with the introduction of the 12005 parameter change proposal. This proposal will bring many changes to the Terra Classic ecosystem as it seeks to set the ICA controller parameter controller-enabled from its current state of undefined to false. Changing the status of the ICA controller parameter is vital to creating a more functional developer ecosystem. With the upgrade, developers' attempts to create and test upgrades on the protocol will come without many hassles. With the depegging of Terra Classic USD and the loss of value by Terra Classic, an extra amount of effort is now needed to regain user confidence. Without a more secure and flexible app creation hub, Terra Classic cannot achieve this purpose. And this is what the 12005 parameter change proposal is tailored to sort. The proposer that was introduced on January 21st has received enormous backing from members of the community, including validators. Per the statistics shared recently by a community member, more than 132 billion Lunc, worth about 13% of all worth, has been committed to voting for the proposal. Of this figure, 132 billion Lunc, or 99.93% of total committed tokens, have voted yes in favor of passing the proposal. Per the data shared, there was no single community member who expressed doubts regarding the proposal or its impact. While the on-chain trends or fundamentals to chart new growth paths remain solidified, the price action of Lunc has continued to cast doubts on the prospects of the coin in the short term. At the time of writing, Lunc had seen its price and market capitalization jump by 2.4% to 0.40's $955 and $552 million. However, its 7-day loss came in at 15.58%. The past 2 months have been filled with a major roller coaster for Lunc price, whose market cap dropped to its current level from $1.5 billion as of early December 2023. This enormous sell-off over the past week is tied to the bankruptcy filing by Terraform Labs, a move that shows the cross-chain token drawdown in the ecosystem might be far from over. Overall, Lunc might take stock soon to determine how well its on-chain upgrades and activities help take it closer to its $1 repeg target compared to the limited fear, uncertainty, and doubts in its ecosystem. Now let's talk about, is Terra Classic a good buy despite 36% dip in a month? Terra Classic has endured a roller coaster journey in the few days we've spent in 2024, riding the hype wave of spot Bitcoin ETFs, which had not been approved at the time, and community interest. It reached a peak of 0.30's $25 in early December. However, the crypto market's recent turmoil triggered a big sell-off, leaving investors and traders wondering about the next chapter for Terra Classic. Currently, Lunc is trading at 0.40's $963, showing a 3.59% increase over the last 24 hours. With a 36% decline over the last 30 days, it is clinging for dear life to a crucial support level, marked by the green band. This zone represents a crucial battleground for the short-term trajectory of Lunc. A breach below this level could lead to a further decline to 0.40's $8 or 0.40's $7. Technical indicators paint a complex picture. While the RSI dipping into the oversold region suggests temporary relief might be near, all three major moving averages, 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and 200 EMA, currently stand above Lunc. This bearish configuration discourages immediate entry for new buy orders until momentum shifts decisively in favor of bulls. Therefore, traders anticipating a potential rebound should wait for confirmation signals beyond the initial bounce off the green support band. Key milestones to watch include surpassing the seller congestion at the 20 EMA and the combined resistance of the descending trend line, and 50 EMA around 0.30's $1. Sustained price action above 0.30's $1, validating the anticipated rebound and creating conditions for initiating long positions. When a cryptocurrency's price drops, it presents an opportunity for savvy investors to accumulate it. These events are an opportune window for employing DCA strategies with select altcoins like Lunc. Consistent, methodical investors during such periods can accumulate coins at advantageous prices, laying the groundwork for future market upswings. With the uncertainty in the market after Terraform Labs' bankruptcy filing, the possibility of further declines in Lunc price cannot be ignored. If the 0.40's $9 support level falters, cautious monitoring of the subsequent price action is crucial. Depending on the severity of the decline, seeking liquidity-rich support zones at 0.40's $8 and 0.40's $7 might be a prudent course of action. However, there is still some bearish sentiment in the market, as Lunc recently saw a surge in staking. By carefully monitoring key technical indicators and staying informed about market developments, investors can navigate the Lunc dip and come out on the other side with a profit. Let's also talk about that the Terra Classic community approves crucial proposal for future upgrades. Terra LUNA Classic proposal for enabling the ICA controller parameter received unanimous support from the Terra LUNA Classic community, including validators. The proposal received 99.97% votes in favor, surpassing the pass threshold before the deadline. Meanwhile, Terra Classic ecosystem tokens Lunc and USTC took a hit amid the recent crypto market correction, and crypto exchange Crypto.com confirmed Lunc delisting to CoinGape. Proposal 12005, consistently set ICA controller parameter, has successfully surpassed the pass threshold and received major support from the community. The proposal deadline is January 28th. The proposal has received 99.97% yes votes, indicating unanimous support from the community. It also received no with veto and abstain votes, which surprised many key members of the community. Among the validators who participated, all 47 voted in favor of the proposal. These include Orion, Interstellar Lounge, Stakely, and Luna Station 88. All nodes, a validator with 16% voting power, has not voted yet on the proposal. CoinGape earlier reported that the proposal aimed at setting the parameters of the ICA controller module of Terra Classic to enable. The internal storage of the module is currently inconsistent due to a network glitch, preventing developers from exporting the state of Terra Classic into a Genesis JSON file. It is crucial for developers when they work on testnets for upgrades. And lastly, let's talk about latest Terra Classic price prediction for 2024. A recent proposal voted on by the Terra Classic DAO decided that a quant team should begin working on repegging the Terra algorithmic stablecoin, which has been rebranded to USTC. If this can be achieved, it would be a significant development, helping to restore faith in its ecosystem amongst the crypto masses. However, if the quant team discovers it is impossible to repeg USTC, it could cause the Terra Classic community to lose hope in the project's future. Nonetheless, there are countless other ongoing developments in its ecosystem. Terra Classic has retained a respectable market cap and a vibrant and loyal community. It boasts 1 million Twitter followers, 85,000 Telegram members, and regularly appears in media headlines. Consequently, many projects have chosen to build on the blockchain, such as Backbone Labs, TFM, and Station. However, the adoption of the Terra Classic chain has curbed recently, gaining less than 200,000 new accounts in the last 10 months. In the months prior, the number of accounts on the network spiked significantly, showing much of the buzz around Terra Classic may be from investors looking to cash in on a cheap coin. With Terra Classic's reputation tarnished, so it remains to be seen if adoption will pick up again. Still, as the crypto bull run is expected to occur in 2024 and the Terra Classic team is putting in much effort to reignite the blockchain's success, we see a future for the project. Therefore, our Terra Classic price prediction forecasts a minimum price of 0.40's $96, a maximum price of 0.20's $14, and an average price of 0.20's $118 by the end of 2024. So how do you think? Will Terra Classic go back up? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the LNC token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.